good morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. Okay, I missed saying that. So today is Wednesday and I am finally back to my home gym, so the gym in Festac, right? And I actually went yesterday evening. So I don't know how it's gonna work because obviously there's work too on the side, but we're gonna have to make it work one way or the other because summer is just around the corner and we cannot be
another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep body bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead jugger there. Fine, no bucket there. Watch your love for like it. Why not more there? Your body, check it. Bush it ready, yeah, in my day. Double dose, kilo fat. Why now, my lady? That be waiting there, your body. I'm a damn easy, baby. Why you wanna go give me congeal?
This is my sponsor.
Okay. I sell gym wears and
Yeah, so I just got to
trust me to always force Wendy
to patronize her. I don't have it, just like I plan every month. There's a budget for the brand. Hi guys, so I am home now from the gym. You guys, they wasted my time in the bank. Like, what's new, right? Like, it's their usual way. But I am home now, dressed up. You know, I'm about to leave to go to the hospital. Fingers crossed on that because I don't even know what I'm going there for. But let me check this. See, I've been posting this for so long, like procrastinating going to the hospital, actually like checking out what's going on there. So I should just go today. I'll just go today. I'll just go. Okay, and let's pretend like we didn't just see that. I'll get fixed this weekend, okay? But yeah, let me head out now. Good morning. So we're here for an outro. Yesterday was a good day. I actually came back and slept the whole evening. Like, I slept. Woke up this morning and I'm just like, I need to get that cornrows out of my head ASAP. Because one thing about me, I might be broke. I'm not broke. But things might be going on in my life, but if my hair is not done, like, if my hair is not done, just know that, like, there's something that you're talking to me that I want to hear. I'm just going to be very disorganized. I'm just going to be very, like, my body will just be biting me. I'll be very, very uncomfortable if I don't have my hair done. So I woke up this morning, I'm like, and not just if I have my hair done, but if I've had it on for a long time, I'll be very uncomfortable. But yeah, woke up, took out my cornrows. Yeah, I also like taking down my hair myself. I don't know if that's a problem, but yeah, my sister said I'm not okay. But I think I'm okay. I like taking down my cornrows, my hair, braids, whatever. I like taking it out myself. And then, yeah, today I'm going to go to the salon to get my hair done. I think I'm getting a sewing and... Is it sewing or sewing? I don't know. I think it's sewing. Whatever. So I'm getting a sewing today. That's the easiest hair I can do right now. and I have like a whole bunch of things on my to-do, and if you see me going looking down, like my whole note is here, and I'm just trying to mentally organize myself. So next thing to update you guys on, so I did like a trial a trial purchase with Temu. So this came really fast, by the way, like really fast. I didn't expect, like in 5 days I already had it delivered, very fast. But I ordered 2 things. So I told my dad that I wanted a coffee machine, and my dad hold on. Okay, this is better. So I was saying, I told my dad I wanted a coffee machine, and obviously he imports things from China, India, all of that, and he has business people there. So to my greatest surprise, when the new container landed, I got a coffee machine. I got a coffee machine. That is princess for real. For real. But let's unbox this Temu stuff. So I got the whisk. You guys know that electric whisk. So yeah, this is it. I'll show you guys up close. Don't look at my nails, please. It's a mess. I'm gonna fix that today. But I got this whisk. Okay. So this is supposed to be for my coffee. Nothing else is inside it. Just this manual, I guess. Just this manual on the pack, and then the main thing. Okay. I don't know how this works. Okay. I've used coffee machines, obviously, but like, okay, I think this uses a battery. Oh, I see. So I just need to get a battery for it. Like an on button here. So this turns on. Can you guys see it? Yeah. And then this was a trial buy. Like, I wanted to purchase this thing first. I spent like 7,000, so it was not going to pain me if anything went wrong, right? So I also got this face roller ice. I don't know the name, but it's that ice thing for the eyes, because I'm growing up. Apparently, I'm growing up, so I need to be taking care of myself, my skin, my eyes, my whole body. Ciao. Okay, that's it for this. That's all I got from Temu. So safe to say, it's safe to buy things from the app now, and there was no delivery fee. Not delivery fee at all. Actually, I think I got this like 6,000 something, not 7K. Now that I'm thinking about it. But it was very fast. Like, the delivery was too fast. Also, hospital update. I went and they said, oh, I needed to get a doctor's recommendation. I'm like, I'm here for you to check me. Why are you asking me for recommendation from a doctor? But that's fine. I already have a letter of recommendation from my doctor, so I'll just take that back to the hospital. But when will I find the time to go back there? Maybe today, maybe not. Who knows? I don't know, but whenever I end up going, I think I will let you guys know, since we already started this together, right? Wait. Okay, now to the carpenter that I gave my stuff to build for me since last year September. You guys, this man is a complete nuisance. Like, at this point I'm just like, since January I've been begging him to give me back my money. Why are artisans like this? Like, I think you guys can remember from last year when I was like, oh, 3 months, this man have not brought my stuff. You guys, it's 6 months now. I've not seen shit. I haven't seen anything. And like, I got his contact from my best friend actually. So like, there is little to nothing I can do at this point. My hands are tied down, and I've paid him like 90% of the money. 90%. Children, why do you trust people? Like, Why do you trust people? The fact that I paid him like 60% first, and then he comes back, oh, he needs more money, and then I give him again out of the goodness of my heart. Now, where's my stuff? Anyway, what else do you guys? Okay, yeah. Second to the last thing. So I've been trying to get a mic. You guys know I've been trying to get a mic. If I had a mic, my voice would be clearer right now. We'll be able to talk. I can sit from afar and, you know, we gist and talk. But the first one I tried to get from Jumia, it was bad. I took it back, right? So now I am exploring. Sorry about this thing keeps pulling down. I don't know why. Anyway, now I'm exploring AliExpress, and I do not know, man. So 2 mics that I have in mind to buy, the Holy Land and Boya. Okay, so more Boya than Holy Land, to be honest, because that Holy Land is expensive. Why am I spending almost more than 200k? I don't have money like that, I mean. More than 200k, but like it's a great investment, to be honest. But I might just settle for the Boya mic. I think I've checked the specifications and everything, and it kind of works. It works really well. So yeah, the last update I have for you guys is that since January 2025, this is March 2025. Actually, this is March 8th, 2025. Chiwendu, aside the 31st night that got into the 1st of January, Chiwendu has not set foot in the house of her father. You people should come and help me. Like, I've not gone to church. I've not gone to church since Like, do you guys know? Like, the fact I'm saying it out and it's actually real that I've not gone to church since January is crazy. Like, it is crazy. But like, I don't know. I will try my best to go tomorrow. But first, I need to fix my hair. If my hair is not done, I need to get my hair done. So yeah, we're going to have a little maintenance today. I'm so happy. I'm going to do my hair, my nails. I'm gonna shop for skincare. I'm just gonna be a girl. I'm excited. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all the updates I have for you guys. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See you guys in the next one. I'm trying to be consistent in this vlogging thing right now. So yeah. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we cannot be in 6K forever. Okay, we've been there since January.